First, place the vermicelli noodles in a bowl, cover them with water to soften, and set aside. Combine all seasonings in a separate bowl.
Add fish sauce, dark soy sauce, liquid seasoning, oyster sauce, sesame oil, salt, ground black pepper, and granulated sugar. Then you're gonna mix it well. After that, we're gonna set it aside.
Chop the garlic, onions, and vegetables. Slice the chicken. I am using 2 pieces of chicken breast, slicing them into thin strips. Let's start cooking. Heat some oil in a pan and add 2 tablespoons of dried safflower, which will give our vermicelli a beautiful color. Sauté the garlic and onions, then add the chicken and a chicken bouillon cube. Stir and let the chicken cook slightly. Add the sliced mushrooms, carrot strips, green bell pepper, and chopped celery, then mix everything together. Pour in about half cup of hot water. Drain the soaked vermicelli and add it to the pan. Then, pour in the soy sauce mixture we made earlier. Stir every 2 minutes until the vermicelli noodles are fully cooked. Top with sliced green onions. Now, you have a delicious chicken vermicelli dish. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.